Right, how shall I grade 10 technical maths and see how far we can go. Send the timetable here how ne? I can tell you when I'm going to make paper one. Paper one. Right, reference last Luena create a complex number yet. Reference complex number and I'm question 2.2.1. But about simplify 3x plus 1 times 81x all be divided by 9x plus 2. This is just a basic problem here, technical maths, November last year. Simplify. Now, how do we simplify something of this nature? The first thing that I'm going to read is, I'm going to break this. How are we breaking that? In fact, the choice is ours. But here, how does I break up? My advice would be, have a change 81 as a product of its prime factors. Kiman mo yang calculating or 81 equals shift fact. 81 equals shift fact. Now mo to fact mo calculating. Mo to fact. The factors. Choose. 81 equals shift fact. So come on, Jama, recall this one. Yeah, 3x plus 1 times 81 ringola as a 3 exponent 4. I get it to multiply waka x. And then we divide 9 ringola as a 3 squared. It to multiply waka x plus 2. This is very important that we see that. And then I remove very bracket here. And I let this times 3, 4 times x over 4x. This times x over 2x. This times 2 over positive 4. Again, about 2x plus 4. Now that the basic is trying to reapply the laws of exponents. Again, when we multiply numbers of the same basis, we add the exponents. Because the basic is trying on base a1. Then we add the exponent. So x plus 1 plus 4x. Again, because exponent yana ikafat, haya kaudimu chinchale swa. 2x yana inele positive, haya kaudimu eba negative. 4 yana inele positive, haya kaudimu eba negative. Kama nzoma nteka fatsi hadi kaudimu diba negative. Teka udimu hadi lipedi how the multiplier wadi adder fail. Why are such chinchamo? When we multiply numbers of the same basis, on one fella base you want to get 3. Hakata or x plus 1 plus 4x because dika udimu dilipedi. But because it's not dika fats, how this udimu diba negative, and the positive diba negative, and the negative diba positive. Now how to simplify? Renale base here 3 born on x plus 4x ke 5x. 5x minus 2x ke 3x. I get one is then only 1 minus 4 ele minus 3. This becomes your final answer if rate in exponential form. This becomes your final answer. Or also what we equal LG ukana wachwata ntwi warin twina ke 3 exponent 3x times 3 minus 3. Because when we multiply numbers of the same basis, we add the exponents. Then in 2 is about 3x over 3 to exponent 3. Because in 2 remember the exponent is positive. Then 3x divided by 27. Because 3 to exponent 3, the answer is 27. Right, remember so that you see whether you understand it now. Whether you understand it now. Remember, it is so important that you repeat whatever that we are doing here. Ke batla go ba le light yane ka mane ke bona ona le light nyana e distepa ke batla go ba le ya that light. Alright, ha ona taba he hurry here 2.2.2 2.2.2 re na le 9x squared exponent 4 times 3x squared divided by 27. This is something very simple, very basic for a grade 10 learner that one should be able to solve. Now, remember to simplify the paper 1 ya technical maths grade 10 last year. The first thing we read is this 4. Or alright, 4 you, I multiply everything e ka hara di bracket. Come on, Joma, obe because only 3 mo. Only 9 man, only 27. You will learn chatan tungulongu yete ka base ya 3. The lowest base is 3. So chatan tungulongu yete ka base ya 3. Now 9 is 3 squared. Again, so we go 3 squared x squared multiply ka 4 multiply by 3x squared. Tungwalan tungulong ka base nyane lembagai 3. 27 ke 3 to exponent 3. Then hakikaita 4 ye ekante. I multiply every exponent ya base ekahare. Ongola 3 ya half. Ongola 2 ya t. We multiply aga 4 ye kante. Ongola x ya half. Li 2 ya t. We multiply aga 4 ye kante. Multiply 3x squared divided by 3 exponent 3. Rahan teletun. Harili mo. 2 times 4 ki 8. 2 times 4 ki 8. 3x squared all over 3, 3. Again, ki apply amulawa what the exponents. When I multiply numbers of the same basis, I add the exponents. Tseka udimo skalabala wa di add. Base ya pili ki 3. Ki add the exponents. Bon, obe careful mo. 3 exponent ya tengi bukai ki 1. 2 yena na ki exponent ya x, not ya 3. So hakile mo, ki tore 8 plus 1 ibe mfabukai 9. Remember ki shemle di base fela taying ta 3. When I multiply, I add 8 plus 1 ki 9. Ki aho x. 8 plus 2 ki 10. Divide by 3 exponent 3. Ki atiba when I divide, I subtract. 3 kinale 9. Ena 3 hayagamani iba negative. Again, nzeginale x 10. Kaudim. 3 minus 9 kibugai. 9 minus 3 6. I want to 3 to exponent 6x 10 as your final answer. Then you are done. That becomes your final answer. Let's review or recap what we have done. Change this problem. Kamle converting to a base in 3. 9 is 3 squared, 27 is 3 to power 3. Now, hakata chincha 9 ki yeta 3 squared. Kibali 3 squared x squared all inside of the brackets exponent 4. Ena ki 27 ki 3 to power 3. 4 ya nekante a multiplier every exponent yan twekahari. The first thing on nyona ki 3 to exponent 2 we multiply ka 4. Onale x squared we multiply ka 4. Umzuna ngona ku divide ka 2 times 4 8, 2 times 4 8 times 3x squared. Divide by 3 3. When I multiply numbers of the same basis, I add the exponents. I kalapeleka base ya 3. Kere 3 multiplied by 3. 3 exponent 8 times 3 exponent 1. Ke banali 3 kere 8 plus 1 infinite. Ki ao x. x8 x squared When I multiply, I add 8 plus 2 is 10 divided by 3, 3. When I divide, I subtract. Or 9 minus 3, x squared. 9 minus 3 is 6, x to power 10. And then you are done. It's something about modular fats or practice. It is made perfect when you practice. Right, that was the end of question 2. Question 3, we will factorize. Baro when I factorize in x squared plus 5x minus 6. We want to factorize this. Now, how do we factorize something of this nature? The first thing we do, create the bracket is a 2. How can you show the last number in your C? This is what we call a quadratic expression. Show the number C, only x squared, so that when we multiply numbers of the same basis, we can add the exponents over 1 plus 1 in 2. How can you all? The factors it's a 6. Take from 5, it's a 3. It's 6 and 1, it's 3 and 2. Because 6 minus 1 is 5. Let 3 plus 2 is 5. But the question is now, which one is correct? How can you 3 and 2? The bigger number takes the sign of the middle term. Middle term is sign is positive. Just how to multiply. Come let you find negative 6. So because this one is positive, that one must be negative. Because positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 3 minus 2 is 1 has 5. How the multiplier do for negative 6? How the area about the minus do for 5? So positive 3 times negative 2 can make negative 6.